Now that you have some experience dividing fractions, take a moment to solve this paper on your own. Then watch the video to make sure you have the correct answers. Number 1, 11 over 14 divided by 4 over 30. Remember, the process we use is keep, change, flip. Keep the first number the same, change the division to multiplication, and then flip the second fraction to its reciprocal. 11 fourteenths times 30 over 4. 11 times 30 is 330. 14 times 4 is 56. Since both those numbers are even, we can divide by 2 to get 165 over 28. Now we have to change that number back into a mixed number. We need to divide 28 into 165. It goes in 5 times with 25 left over. Our answer is 5 and 25/28. Number 2, 6 divided by 2 3/4. When we're using mixed numbers, we have to first change the mixed number to an improper fraction. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 3 is 11. Our improper fraction is 11/4. Then we change 6 to 6 over 1, so it looks like a fraction, times 4 over 11. 6 times 4 is 24. 1 times 11 is 11. 11 goes into 24 twice. 2 times 11 is 22, which means we have 2 left over. 2 and 2 11ths is your final answer. Problem 3, we now have 2 mixed numbers. Both of those have to change to improper fractions. Denominator times whole number plus numerator. 3 times 2 plus 2 is 8. 8 over 3. 1 times 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 over 5. Now we can do our keep, change, flip. 8 thirds times 5/6. 8 times 5 is 40. 3 times 6 is 18. Both of these numbers are even, so we have to reduce by dividing by 2. This gives us 20/9. If we try to figure out how many 9s are in 20, we can get 2 sets of 9 out of 20 with 2 left over. Our final answer is 2 and 2/9.